So I just got a package today. I've been out of town. We took a trip to Mexico, and my wife is awesome and ordered this for me for my birthday. And I was in Mexico waiting for this. Obviously not to show up in Mexico, but to come home to it. What it is, Mavic Air. I have the standard, which is large. I love this thing. I think it's great. But it just gets difficult to travel with and to pack with you in a vehicle and backpack and all that. So my wife ordered me this. As most of you've known or seen, if you watch any of my videos, I typically usually have on one of my business sweatshirts, which is red. Here I have a red shirt, but let's see what we got in here. In this bag we have the remote, have the controller tips, cords for different phones, and props for the charger. Charging, one battery, two battery, and the power cord. Now the best part is, like I said, if you noticed, I typically wear some type of red, and she ordered me the red one. Now you can see there's a significant size difference. I know everybody's kind of been comparing the size of these, but that's a lot easier to travel with this than it is with this. You can see I have the Galaxy Note, and my phone is just about as big as it is, 3 or 4 phones thick. Very small, compact. I'm anxious to fly this. We just got back from Mexico. It's 6 degrees out right now, and we're expecting a big snowstorm tonight, so I don't think I'm going to be flying this anytime soon. But unfolded, let's see what we have. It's tiny, very small, has a 4K camera, has the sensors for detection, and like I said, you can see there's a significant difference between the two. Definitely an improvement for what I'm going to be flying. I'm anxious to fly this thing. As you can see, I got the the pack with the extra batteries, extra set of props. Came with the remote, similar to the Mavic, just doesn't have the digital display on it. Prop guards, which I doubt I'll probably use, and some literature, which I doubt I'll probably read. But there it is, Mavic Pro. Very tiny, very light. This one does have 8 gigs of memory built into it. I'm still going to look up what the range is. I've read in a few spots that it's comparable to the Mavic, but I think this has a little bit shorter range than the Mavic, but I'll look more into that. Like I said, I just got this today. It is February, what the hell date is it? Just got back from Mexico. February 8th. Just received this, just open it up. I'll be flying it. Stay tuned if you want to watch some videos, how much the videos I'm going to do a comparison between the standard and this. I know there will definitely be an improvement in that, and I'm anxious to fly this, but like I said, the temperature is cold today and tomorrow, and there's snow coming, so I don't think I'm going to be flying it. But there it is, Mavic Air, very small, compact. I'm eager to get this thing in the air, but it was fun to open it. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down below. If you have any information you want to add that I might have missed, feel free to throw those below. Subscribe to my page for some more reviews on some other cameras and drone things. Probably going to be doing another review on the Hero GoPro 5 as I was on vacation. I noticed some issues that I had with it, so I'm going to do some reviews on that as well. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and keep coming back to watch these videos.